jumping down on the 2-3 minute, you really just took a bird bath, bird shower. You know how when the bird catch the puddle from the rain and they just put the wings together, bird bath.
This bitch to the flyaway for
Shout out Jackson Respect. Photo great. That's why I'm with Jackson Respect.
Which one we started?
That big homie shit, I like.
What big homie? Oh yeah.
What big homie shit?
Talking about niggas. How niggas be grown as hell for like over 30 talking about they got a big homie, a chief and all this and you know what I'm saying?
You was a goofy.
Goofy as hell, bro. Come on, man.
You over 30, you got a big homie and chief, your ass a goofy.
Goofy, fo. It's just simple and plain, man. It ain't no, you still in that gang shit mentality, like, it's pointless. It's pointless to you. You should have been outgrew that shit. You took your chances in that shit. Them
be late bloomers. You get what I'm saying?
You ain't check a fucking real dime out that shit you talking about big homie shit behind and you doing all that. Stop it, please.
You a goofy. You a big goofy.
Yeah, the streets ain't gonna pay attention to that. So any nigga that's coming around talking about they trying to big homie motherfuckers and they won't and they already grown and looking up to other grown motherfuckers like, come on man, you supposed to look to yourself, man.
Yeah. You be the big homie.
Yeah. You your own God, you your own king, bro. Don't ever.
You definitely gotta be showing some type of effort that you trying to be a motherfucker before you be doing all that. Well, this why this ain't going on, how this going on type shit.
Yeah. I know everybody at this table.
What's up?
We done been at this shit. We been outside for a long time. So it ain't nothing that we can do that's new. We done seen every angle from that shit, bro. When a nigga come around me talking like about that shit, I don't even be want to entertain that shit. Like, bro, that shit, it don't move shit.
Don't move shit.
Because
right now, it ain't even about gangs no more. It's cliques inside of cliques now.
Yeah.
You see how the Lil Durk and Chief Keef shit is? They BDs, but it's cliques inside of cliques. You know what I'm saying? It ain't even nothing about no gang shit. Ain't nothing about no, we got to get structure back in the streets. It ain't that. All that shit is out there.
That shit out there. And if you ever in your life thinking it's coming back, you stupid too. It ain't coming. It's over with. It's just, that shit over with.
Come on, man. We from the heart of this shit in Chicago know this shit. For real. That shit is done. We hear motherfuckers from, you need these other media blogs talking about, you need to calm it down, need to be structured.
Be the big homie of your household.
Yeah, another motherfuckers on Facebook screaming this dumb shit.
Be the big homie of your shit. Like that shit.
Be that big homie. Don't go outside trying to be somebody else's big homie.
I feel like you gotta teach them what's real and what's going on for real, because
don't let your kids jump out here blind to this shit. Give them the game. If
not
you really
saying
know
that's how it's supposed to be, but
not saying to give them the game on the street side, but you also it's two sides of this shit, bro.
Stop saluting all the goofy shit the young niggas doing. Stop congratulating that shit.
Far as well, folks.
Like stop. Like a motherfucker see they do some goofy shit. Oh man, that's some wild shit. Woo. No, tell their ass, man, slow that shit down, bro.
Yeah.
Find you something else to do, bro.
That ain't no good look.
Come on, man, because you gonna jam yourself up, bro.
How do it be when like you trying to tell?
No, you only can say it a couple of times
without them feel like you preaching to them.
That's what I'm saying. Just say that one time. Ain't no preaching long term. Like, damn, Joe, I see what you did, man, but calm down, Joe.
I agree.
I got
one time to have sit down with you.
I'm not finna preach to you.
Yeah.
None of that, bro.
I'm to the point where I ain't really trying to sit down with you because I don't want you to feel like I'm preaching to you.
It ain't even that I'm preaching. It's really just me talking. I'm chopping it up with you at the same time, nigga. Take some knowledge from what I'm saying. I done been there.
Hopefully, this one little line, you think about it later.
Yeah.
Like, damn.
But I done been down that road.
I did some more wild shit. Damn, folks did tell me to calm down.
Yeah.
Let me go on.
Damn, but they don't. Nah, I done been down the road.
But how many motherfuckers can say, like, a motherfucker told me to calm down before it was too late?
You know how I always say, a motherfucker told me you got more time. You always say, man, motherfucker got more time than chances. Because a motherfucker told me that one time. And it stuck in my brain. Yeah, I got more time than chances. Let me slow down. You know what I'm saying? I always, man, it was just a motherfucker dropped the gem one time. They ain't preached to me, none of that. It was just a motherfucker dropped that one gem. I remember that. It's like, just like a motherfucker remember a rap verse. But a motherfucker drop a gem to you, remember that sometime. Yeah. Just, I'm going to say it to you, hopefully it click in your head or something. Or trigger something. But I ain't going to preach to you. Because all that preaching, that long-term shit, motherfucker forget. You just said 50 million things to me. I can't remember all this shit right now.
Yeah. Now we're back to wasting time. I'm going to sit here out with your ass.
Wasting time.
Yeah.
I'm ready to go. I'm thinking about what I got to do later.
Yeah.
I ain't doing that.
For you to jump out my car and get right back to your regular schedule shit. So that shit out the window too.
That's why I gotta be careful, little folks.
That's it. Be safe. Stay dangerous.
Yeah, stay dangerous, but think ahead, bro.
Yeah.
Stay 2 steps ahead of this shit, bro. And just spin off.
Just pick your head up.
Pick your head up.
Straight up, bro. I ain't got nothing to say. I ain't got no lectures, buddy.
My Uncle Mike tell me, how you doing, man? Oh, I'm all right. Yeah, that's good to know. Don't nobody really care, though. Spit on me, fuck. I'm like, don't nobody really do give a fuck. He glad I'm doing all right, though. Shout out to Uncle Mike, bro.
Yeah, shout out to him. That's real shit. Nobody give a fuck. If it felt good to get it off, right?
Yeah.
Nobody give a fuck.
What's a red flag you see on the bitch, bro? Like you kick it with, like you hear something or you see something she do, you like, damn, oh, that bitch real like that. Oh, damn, this bitch, I was just saw something, or she say something crazy, like, you know what I'm saying, like a red flag, you see.
A reckless mouth, period, is a red flag. Like, bitch, you too reckless.
Like a mouth?
Yeah,
like you go in the house and you see something.
If I go in the house,
like this bitch by the thinnest tissue ever.
That's piss me clean out.
I gotta keep wrapping my hand.
Fuck the wrapping part. When you pulling to get it, it's breaking. You done pulled it, and 2 sheets done broke.
That's what I'm saying. I'm type of.
Yeah, that pisses me off. Bitch, Sharnas ain't shit to $2 more. Bitch. If I go in a crib,
it's like, bitch, you just wild as hell.
Yeah, I don't know till I see it though, but.
Because I know how females be like, if you don't fake on top of your shit, like, when a nigga walk in your shit, they gonna know, like, okay.
How this bitch mama, yeah.
Yeah, like, okay.
A nigga should better tell about a bitch about her bathroom or her kitchen, period. Bathroom and kitchen gonna give you the whole
you ain't just doing anything.
Yeah.
You ain't living any type of way.
Bitch shoes. Or shoes.
I always check a bitch.
Oh yeah, if I see the shoe, pal,
even on the shoe, I'm looking at your shoe when you pull up on me. Like say I just bumped you, now we finna link. I'm shoe checking, bro. I just wanna see how you bumping. Shoes tell a lot too, bro. Yeah.
Or if you come to a crib, she ain't got on no shoes at all.
Feet dirty at the bottom? Oh bitch, you
wild as hell.
You trifling. You trifling. Cause you finna go jump in your bed like this.
Yeah.
On my OB phone.
I know you saw the kids' feet like that.
Yeah, you over wild.
You still ain't mopped. So you saw the kids' feet.
You wild as hell. Your feet black.
You got black feet and you jump in your bed, bitch. This is the last time. I don't even know if I'm staying. I might walk out that motherfucker. This will be our last time, though. I swear to God. Damn. Yeah, feet a motherfucker.
You clapping from the back. Them bottom little feet just
crumbs in the bed.
Dirty.
Shit just rolling off her feet. Yeah, that shit over with. Hoes not even up on their hygiene like they supposed to be.
They not, folk.
I feel like.
Oh, you know what's wrong with hoes? Bitches taking more showers than baths.
And then their excuse for baths be like, you ain't supposed to let this and that get up in you. That's bacteria.
No, after a bath, you take a shower.
You take a shower.
To rinse it off, bitch. That's what you're supposed to do.
A lot of you bitches got them little ass tubs. We can't take no bath.
Last
tub. Can't even get your little ass in that motherfucker. That's why you ain't bad for the little ass tub you got. Straight up.
Damn, bitch.
Little ass tub, man. But yeah, bitches. I don't know.
And what else is one bitch told me, man, if they ain't taking a shower bath longer than 5 minutes, they bogus as hell.
Longer than 5, yeah. I ain't never met a bitch take a quick bath.
Yeah, ain't no quick shower. Unless you're taking like the night before and then you get up in the morning and you get up do it again.
Only way I'll let that slide is if we gotta be somewhere. Alright, I'll give you a 7-minute shower.
Yeah. Yeah, other than that, bitch, that you supposed to goddamn it bubble up twice.
Yeah, rinse 3 times.
Yeah.
Get them fuck up.
On what's that?
Folks say bitches ain't taking baths no more like they supposed to.
They taking showers.
Yeah, and I say bitches ain't got them little ass tubs. They can't take baths. Straight up. But what's a good time frame for a bitch to take a shower? Like, what's an honest time frame? I say anything, like he said, less than 5, less than 7, you bogus on the female side. I ain't met a female that took a 5-minute shower.
Yeah, you know, a female got a lot going on. They gotta get in there and get it together.
Come out smelling like
3
something.
minutes?
I want you to come out smelling like something.
Yeah.
You gotta smell like the soap.
When you pop out that bitch, when you open that bathroom door, you better set the fire detectors off with how much steam coming out.
The mirror gotta be foggy. The mirror
gotta be foggy.
If you got towel in your bathroom, the little floor gotta be a little slippery too. And all that steam.
Yeah. I know you went in there and got it together.
Yeah.
Got it together.
Because you jumping down on the 2-3 minute, you really just took a bird bath, bird shower. You know how when the bird catch the puddle from the rain and they just put the wings together? Bird bath.
This bitch finna fly away, folks.
You did a
finna go.
drive-by.
You finna really fly out and
Get it
get you.
together.
What's wrong with them, man?
Yeah.
Because niggas love that when they know it's like together.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you smell it? Let me see if you taste how you smell.
Everything up the bar. That'll make me cut up.
Yeah,
I'll cut up what you
yeah.
talking. Everything up the bar.
Hey, shut the fuck up. It's no grade. Shut the fuck up. It's nigga, drop back, nigga. Come back, nigga. Push a shit back, just come back, nigga. I'm for no grade, nigga. I don't say my name, nigga. Go. And this track hoe, bitch, I got the seat back. 3 niggas with them things and they wick that. No talking here, this brain watching shit splat. Bitch, I'm GD, all that other shit, I ain't with that.